Have you ever heard about scan to BIM technology? Scan to BIM, yes, laser scanning to building information modeling. Have you heard about it? Yes or no? Okay, it's okay, cool. I'm here to tell you a good news. Soon I will be delivering a course on scan to BIM. I'm preparing the course content now. Right now I have the overview of my course and what about the elements I will be covering in the course. For your information, I will read out the course content, then you will get an idea. For sure, I will try very hard to not to give up this, and will be covering a course on it, scan to BIM. Starting from, I given preface to myself about this course, like this course should have a mix of theory and practical sessions with hands-on projects to reinforce the learning. It could be structured as a combination of lectures, discussions, demonstrations, and group assignments. This course could be aimed at professionals in the AEC industry, such as architects, engineers, contractors who want to learn how to use CAD to BIM technology effectively. Each module could consist of lectures, hands-on exercises, case studies, and group discussions. This course could be delivered in a classroom or online format, with practical sessions conducted in laboratory or real-life construction site. Let's first talk about introduction to BIM in this course. We'll be talking about introduction to BIM, explain what is BIM, what is its purpose, why it is, and how it can improve construction projects and its benefits. Increased collaboration, project visualization, and applications in other fields too. Then we'll talk about BIM software. We'll give introduction to BIM softwares, and we'll introduce the students to popular BIM softwares and their applications, including the Revit and Navisworks. These are very basic. And we'll talk about introduction to scan to BIM. Introduction to scan to BIM, we'll discuss the concept, what is scan to BIM, history of scan to BIM, the importance of scan to BIM in the construction, benefits of using it in the construction, and how it is different from traditional methods. Then we'll talk about laser scanning, the LiDAR, light detection and ranging technology, and the point cloud data. Introduction to laser scanning technology, laser scanning, LiDAR technology, photogrammetry, and structured light scanning. What is point cloud data, types of laser scanners, types of point cloud data and their applications, scanning protocols and accuracy. Discuss different types of scanning techniques used in construction, and also we'll be delivering about what are the types of laser scanning technologies available, the products, the equipment, scanners available in the industry. We'll compare each and everything. Then data collection and processing. Data collection and processing, discuss how to collect and process scan data on site, point code data classification and segmentation, how to bring the site data to the office, the design office, then cleaning and processing the point code data, what is registration software, hardware, including registration of scan data, how to prepare a scan data for use in building information modeling, cleaning up scan data, ensuring accuracy and completeness and validation of scan data. And we'll talk about creating a BIM model from the scan data. Discuss how to create a BIM model from scratch data, scan data, explain the steps involved in creating a BIM model using the processed point cloud data, right from file setup, aligning the scan data with the existing BIM models or creating a new BIM model with the file setup, including model creation techniques, best practices, and software options for creating models from scan data, that's from scratch. Then scan to BIM workflow. What is the scan to BIM workflow and what we'll be doing in this? Like workflow strategies for scan to BIM projects, using BIM software for scan to BIM projects, collaboration and data sharing in scan to BIM projects, integrating scan data into BIM workflows, discuss how to integrate scan data into BIM workflows, including how to integrate scan data in the design case also, and scheduling, the cost estimation, etc. Then coming to the BIM collaboration and coordination. The BIM is more about the collaboration and coordination, right? How we are going to do it in the case of scan to BIM projects. Then we'll talk about explanation how to use BIM for collaboration and coordination with each other construction professionals, and what are the tools we generally use in the industry. Then quality control and validation. Quality control and validation, we will discuss how to ensure the accuracy of the BIM model and how to analyze the BIM model for accuracy and how to validate it against the point cloud data, including the best practices for quality control and validation, and how to identify and fix common issues people do make in the case of modeling or scan to BIM workflow, etc. etc. Then we'll go and look into some case studies like successful scan to BIM projects, emerging trends in scan to BIM technology, what about the future developments in the case of scan to BIM technologies, and case studies. Really, right, the importance of case studies provides real life examples, and we will talk about the challenges also and learnings also, and people how they overcome it. Then we will look into legal and ethical considerations, like understanding the legal and ethical considerations in scan to BIM projects, protecting the confidentiality of the project data, managing intellectual property rights in scan to BIM project, ensuring compliance with the industry standards and regulations. Then future of scan to BIM. What about the future of scan to BIM technology? Like a overview of emerging technologies in scan to BIM, the impact of scan to BIM on the construction industry, the future scan to BIM technology and its potential solutions. Then BIM for construction management. Discuss how BIM can be used for construction management, understand the role of scan to BIM in construction project management, implementing scan to BIM in construction projects, managing and mitigating the project risk in scan to BIM, monitoring and controlling the scan to BIM process, including scheduling, cost estimating, and project management. Then BIM for facility management, and we will explain how this data will be helpful to facility management. Then about sustainable is very important concept, right? We will cover how the BIM for sustainability and energy efficiency. BIM can be used to evaluate the sustainability and energy efficiency of building. Then like this we will prepare more and more content, more modules. We'll learn about scan to BIM technology, the workflow, and whatever so far I told. Then are you getting a clarity about what we are going to cover in the future about scan to BIM? That's great. You can connect with me over social media platforms. I'm more active on the LinkedIn. Thank you.